Welcome back to JoeBob's Garage. This is going to be a good one. I believe I've got all the fabrication done on the bike, or most 99% of it. I got most of it done, if not everything. So what I got to do is strip it all the way back down to the frame. I need to treat the rust on the frame, and this will be the next step before powder coating and painting everything and moving on. All right, guys, enjoy. All right, let's take this thing apart. It's like working in Hades, it's so hot out here. It's crazy. Yeah, you can see how that OSPO changes all that rust to an inert metal. So I got all the rusty stuff shot up. This will hold it until I can get back in here and get welding. I will grind on all this to get it good so I can finish the welding. Boy, feels good to get to this point. All right, this is my setup here. Got all the parts, screws and stuff in little baggies labeled. Everything on this table is probably going to get powder coated, except for the gas tank, of course. And the headlight's already powder coated. This will be taken apart and just powder coat pieces, you know, not all the screws and stuff. I'll make that look all right. All right, I think that's it for this one. Let me tell you what, guys, it is so hot. I need air conditioning, man. I'm not gonna make it. Full on swamp ass. Let y'all share in this fun. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It's moving on. We're getting close. All right, guys, y'all take it easy.